I can. Oh yeah, wala. Hi Vetsuna Ninjani. I think I nailed this installation. Guys, I know that not everybody is gonna... my phone died and I'm having a very serious conversation up. But it's charging now. Let me just charge it with a charger fast. Yeah. That kind of love. Guys, I ended the channel. I think I should have just done... I should have just done a video actually, because I wanted to be there even for people who are still seeing my other video whereby like I was like, you can write down. You're my chachi. I think I want to do a video, or maybe I'll just take a clip from this live. Yeah. So I'll take a clip from this live and save and post it. Name. To everyone who's just getting in, I am here to talk about the group chat that I was the channel I made to help people who are business owners who need a good supplier, and for just buyers and stuff, so ndifuna into yomlomo and andifumani, yes guys, andifumani. Okay, so I'm here to address the channel that I made on WhatsApp to help people who are business owners to buy hair in bulk with me when I'm buying for my clients. Yebo, kwi-supplier yam, and my supplier ayo yalapha South Africa le ndithenga kuyo. First of all, so what I did when I opened the channel and I took the prices the supplier does faka straight pagla group chat, the way zingayo, the way the price is for people who are buying in bulk. I didn't change it to earn any profits. I made sure that I posted the way it is, so that even people abaqala business nabantu abafuna uthenga inwele in bulk, they can see the prices and they don't feel like the prices are too expensive, right? Because they're trying to buy in bulk for their businesses. Now the problem starts when, like, now I'm getting messages of people asking me, Uba, am I gonna be paying for the shipment? Especially when I had made it so clear that the reason why I'm looking for people to help with their business when it comes to supplier is because I want us to cut costs. And if you want cost, guys, shipment is $25, $400 and something shipment, you understand? And sometimes andithenga one ivele ke ngoku ibuye ne but into i-customs zayo nayo i-shipment yabona i-shipment already xa ingaka ne-customs zibangaka ke papa. And that's what I thought about. Okay, when I bring people who are already running their businesses, we can work together and we can pay all these things sonke. But now people are expecting me to be the one who pays for e-shipment. I'm getting people who are so demanding, people who are so entitled, like entitled. Like, guys, I want to read out some of the messages I got because I just couldn't believe it. It's like, Papa, you're the one who wants a supplier. And another thing, I never said I'm giving out my supplier number. And understand? I never said I'm giving out my supplier number. Unfortunately, I can't give out my supplier number. If you want a supplier, I didn't even hide it. I told everyone who was in that channel. Guys, the channel had 1K people. Now you can already imagine. Some are even calling me. Some are like, guys, I'm just here to help you guys. Nifumani supplier and then siyancedana. Kwenzela ba xa zifika izinto up, because now, especially if siyathenga sibaninzi, zifika ngebox. Guys, I wanna show you. I actually wanna show you guys. You gained kamnandi. Thank you, my papa. So guys, I just wanna show you ne. Isupplier, unfortunately, I can't share a number yake because I want to show you from my first time talking to Isupplier with my business number. I got the supplier and I texted the supplier using my personal number at first. And then now, because I had to go and get a business number so that people don't just call me with personal number. The moment I know about ngabantu abane numbers for inwele aba, and there's no need bantu baphendule. I answer nge text and I do answer. I texted the supplier yam apha. Hello, hi friend, this is Lucy. May I ask where you got my number, my phone number? Yabona ba if ibi supplier efuna ba inumber yayo isasazeke ibingasoze nibuze lento. First of all, if ufuna isupplier ndichilo, you can go to Alibaba usearch pha for isupplier, okanye you can go to AliExpress. I-app ka AliExpress okanye i-app ka Alibaba. It will help you get a supplier. I managed to get my own, and I managed to work with a supplier to a point whereby the supplier was lenient enough to give me a number yaki, but okay, nansi a number. So now the thing is, I thought if I'm helping you guys, ukuba nifumane a supplier, since I can see a lot of people were scammed, guys, I made it so clear that I was even told ba ungena kwi resellers group just to be in a group of people who are buying hair together. You 2,000. Imagine I pay 2,000 for bandingene klo group. I was like, I no longer want people to be going through this thing, especially if they're trying to start their business. Already now you have to take out 2,000 in order to just be in a group. On top of that, you're gonna be given prices, and then as of prices you don't even know, but like people already added their profits in it. Is that dura? Do you understand? How like bakimba? Yeah, so I'm like, I'm doing all this for free, guys. I'm not even charging anyone to get into that channel. Like I'm saying, Mamela, Nancy link. Text Nancy link. Abanye bayifumene link ku TikTok. But ngoku, like, why need demandi? Why need demandi? Guys, like, ayikho into engayenzanga. Like, I didn't even change the prices. I didn't even change the prices for Abba. But aluba too demanding that ayiyo lento ebendicinga izokwenzeka le, especially because I like, do you understand, but I'm not benefiting anything. Matter of fact, who's benefiting ngabo, because they get to have a supplier yam after competition engaka. You guys know when it comes to business there's a lot of competition. A lot. And I'm giving you access to use the same hair supplier that I am promoting for myself, and you're gonna be promoting the same hair supplier. But already gonna competition gulendo, but I'm not even yo, I'm not even like, guys, I was already trying so much to help Abantu because I know what I dealt with. Guys, there's a girl named, and abona ivideo yakhe. I saw a video ka girl I saw a video ka girl ku TikTok. I text u girl, yabona kule video yakhe ebesithi uthengisa i supplier number nge 300. Ndimtexte u girl. Xa ndimtexta u girl ndifika ku WhatsApp. Uthi u girl, oh, because of the high number of people who are buying the supplier number is now 400. U girl xa ndithi okay fine. Oh no, if you want the overseas supplier, it's 600. From 300, 400 to 600 now, just for numbers, digits. Guys, I spent more than 1.5 in the supplier. And I was trying to be a good person to help you guys. Ababafuna business. Banga spendi imali engacacanga, because nale supplier bendifumene guys. Let's apply bendi tengile komnye. I recently found out ba no man ku Dragon City lo. Ngumntu wakwa Dragon City lo endimthengisweleyo. You understand? And I was just trying to help ba ningaskenywa. A lot of people want to open businesses, but they come across ladies who keep on saying, "Oh, I'm selling the supplier number for imalengaka." You have to buy a supplier number. On top of that, you still have to buy the hair. What if you buy a supplier number nge-500 and then xa ufikelela ku-price list ubone uba yo i-price list yale supplier iyadura? Do you understand into endiyitshoyo? So I decided to end the channel because I am not about to deal with some women who are in that channel badala, and I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna now start feeling pressure because I was just trying to help people. I was like, you know what, I am not God. I can even show you guys. I was like, I'm not God, unfortunately, because in the children for these people they don't even care to search by the difference between a transparent and a lace. Ngoku mna fanele ndicacise ba oh i-transparent lace yile, i-HD lace yile, i-double drawn ikanje, i-single drawn. Bethuna ufuna njani uyiqala ibhizinesi ungazazi nezinto? Ngoku mna ndisesikolweni, ngoku ndinifake esikolweni, ayiseyonto ye-supplier ngoku. Ngoku mna ndinifake esikolweni, fanele mna ndibuye kuni ndinicacisela uba athi umntu hayi ziyadura ezinwele. Sisi uyayibona ibhaliwe raw hair. Please go online and search the best quality, uzova kuthiwa yi-raw hair. Va? Kuthiwa yi-raw hair, i-expensive quality, and my supplier is selling laa nto. And ke ngoku xa undibuza iprice ndikuxelele uthi wena hayi iyadura, ubucimba uzofumana malini? Like, obviously quality ya raw hair iyadura sisi, kufana nokuthi ufuna iVietnam, ucimba uzofumana iVietnam nge-1000. Niyaqhathwa ngaba bantu nithanda usebenza nabo. Aba bantu banithenga bathi iVietnam yi-1.0 bayaxoka, akho Vietnam ye-1000 asoze yabakhona. No Dragon City lowo uyaxoka, ayisoze yabakhona. Soze ufumane i-raw hair guys nge-1000. Usizi uzothi iyadura njani? Ke ngondithini mna? Ndithini because ndikusendele i-price exactly as it is. Nam ndithenga i-low price xa ndiyithenga. Guys, please like, I don't know, I really wanted to start this journey with people because I wanted you to see how it goes. Niyaqhathwa ningabanye. Where's i-supplier yam, guys? My supplier, let me show you. I deleted the channel. You see, it's written deleted channel. I even told them, I was like, let me cut it in this. I know some people were expecting to get the supplier number, but unfortunately the supplier is very strict when it comes. I'm going to be starting another channel for buyers only though, whether it's a group chat or it's another channel. Yeah, but guys, like supplier guys, iyenza ne bonnets, iyenza ne satin bags, ikwenza ne cards. You understand? Afika umuntu ufuna inwele ezikanje, uyazibona inwele ezikanje ba jonga le ayiyo iDragon City le. Uyayibona xa uxelelwe iprice ufuna uthi iyadura. Sisi ubufuna ibe imali ziprices zakho kwenu? No guys, like yiyekeni lonto. To a point, guys, I just want to show you how frustrating it was starting to be for me, bruh. For me, I'm not even benefiting, I'm not even adding. Like, yeah, understand about mhlambi kula price list ka supplier, I'd be like, oh, sine add 200 more. So kwenzela ba every time xa bethenga ndifumana imali. Nix chomi. Nix ndifuna unibonisa le nto. Like, I want you, John. I was even sending in this ganja because now people don't even know the difference. In my head, I'm like, you want to start a business, but why didn't you just go and search ezo zinto zikhona ku YouTube, zikhona ku TikTok? Guys, I even had to be like tip for business owners when you do a price list yakho, because I did mention a price list. I was like, make sure ba uyayi-add imali ye delivery. Kwenzela ba ingaphumi empokothweni yakho. That was my first mistake that I made when I started. And I'm like, now with this thing, I'm trying to help you guys, but niba too demanding. And I'm only starting out my business. I can't be stressing about my business and be stressing about other people's business. Now I had to send ba oh nansi i-real HD guys, ibanje i-real HD. Nansi i-difference between transparent lace. Now I'm starting to teach them. Na aba bantu bendibabizela ba bayayazi into abayenzayo. They already know what they're doing and they are just here to buy. Can't you know? I'm even showing them chats. I was even showing them chats of this other girl who wanted to sell, like, iqale yayi 300. On TikTok, your prices were 300. Now 400, now 600. I'm showing them the things I dealt with. I'm showing them, uba, nansi, screenshot. Yabo ndibuza ba imali ungena kula ntonto kwathiwa yi2k, but if you want supplier number yi10k. Yabo nansi, it's 2k to join the reseller group, it's 10k for the supplier number. I cut all that because I didn't want you guys to be spending. I'm like, it's free. Ngoku nifika nina ngolomoya wenu oba nini andibhulisha nizama undixeba iprices ziphezulu zikanjalo from supplier. No guys, like,
another thing I want to say, guys, please teach yourself ukuba yintoni age delays.
No, I have to tell business owners.
Please nizifundiseni ukwazi ba yintoni age delays and yintoni transparent lace. Cela nizifundiseni ukwazi ba yintoni i2x6, yintoni i4x4, yintoni i5x5, yintoni i13x4, yintoni i13x6.
Umuntu akayazi ne13x4 kodwa ufuna uqala ibusiness.
Yintoni i150 density, yintoni i180 density, yintoni i200 njalo njalo. 300 density yintoni.
Chomi, i-price list inge-dollars because obviously le supplier ayase South Africa. Ngoku kufanele babalelwe ndim athi umuntu ndifuna i20 inch. Sendukubalisele chomi ba mna ndiyenza njani? Uthatha la ba kuthiwa i20 inch ngu $90. Uthatha la $90 uyomjika pha kwa Google and then ubuye guys. Va ngoku mna fanele ndiba transfer ndiguqula iprice ngokunokwam ndibayenzele ukwenzela uba bathenge. Guys, niyayibona into ebendidilishana nayo? Into ebendidilishana nayo niyayibona? Yeke leyo. Iva apha.
Ndinisendele i-price list ze-Asteria hair. Zibhaliwe as a price list raw hair. That's if you can't afford it, uyeke. I am like Mamelane, I don't like the fact that I feel like I'm gonna be criticized for his prices, of which I haven't even added a pricing. Yam.
Imani guys, ndikwe elevator but ndiyafuna nive kakuhle lento.
Guys, I sent you these.
I think my network is bad. Give me a moment. Another thing that I had to do is to send it different version.
If you are confused about raw or virgin hair, trust me, you are not alone. Here's what you need to know before you buy your next one. So let's talk. Raw hair is 100%
Humilimo. Where are you? Where are you? My boyfriend came to see me. I'm waiting for you outside. Guys, I'm born. Anyway, as I was still telling you guys' name, Ababantu, I had to send I had to send videos to explain,
which means no chemicals, no dye, no steam. The texture is more natural. The strands are more stronger with proper care.
I had to come back and send them videos explaining about what's the difference between raw hair, what's the difference between virgin hair. I had to come back explaining to people who are saying when about Funuvuli business, of which the group chat. Come, I'm standing outside. Where do you want me to come, Kanti? Artist, you know how you talk about rest of the year. How long? Did you come with my ID?
Yes.
Okay. You can do there. Guys, I'm talking in Jinbal Celeste store. I sent Patika Mind.